Hello po, welcome back sa aking channel. Here's Miss Zoying or Miss Nightingale, Chapter 10. Bago ang lahat, alam kong paulit-ulit ako pero required po ang intro sa YouTube. Please like, share, subscribe, at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong uploads. To those who are always watching, commenting, reacting, thank you so much po for your tireless support. Ang author nga pala nito ay same author ng I Am More Dangerous Than You Manhwa. At you can support her by following her on Instagram and FB. I will put the details in the description. Miss Zoying, it's been a long time since I've seen you. I didn't expect you to see her again. Miss Zoying, you should still remember me. Huh? Who are you? Oh, I'm sorry, I really can't remember clearly, otherwise I wouldn't come to such a place. You really know how to joke. You are totally different from the cold person you were back then. It's just that it's useless for you to do this to me. I am now full of curiosity about you. Who was helping you at that time? At the risk of being discovered, a psychiatric certificate was issued for you. Zoyan, do you think your attitude will affect me? You're wrong. I know what you're most afraid of. You're not afraid of pain. You don't care about your own life. But what you can't stand is to live without dignity. From now on, I'll be your attending doctor. I hope you'll cooperate with me. I'll be able to save you. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? Zoe said, I'll definitely be very, very grateful to you. What do you mean? Is my acting bad? Xiao Yaozi. The playtime is over. Take her back. Today and tomorrow you'll be under strict discipline and you'll have to stay on an empty stomach. By the way, dun sa mga sumuport sa akin sa Buy Me Coffee, maraming salamat po. Kahit na dun sa past months, mga supporter, to recent supporter, thank you so much po sa donations. Baby, why are you home so late? Come and have dinner. Don't forget to react and comment. Thank you for watching.